baseball gloves.
Yes.
2 east side.
Oh! What the fuck is east side?
East side.
East side.
Oh, east side. East
Yeah,
side.
we use compasses now. I'm gonna die. Please.
Guy double doors. Guy double doors.
No!
Definitely, please.
Rockets are up. If that means anything. Nope.
Matt. Oh, so I thought that was almost Matt there for a second,
Yeah,
Solace.
same.
And Solace.
Boom. That man's constipated.
That counted as a
Matt's
kill for him,
constipated.
though.
Uh-oh.
Shit. There's 2 on C on him.
Get pooped on. Get pooped on.
We survived! What? Trying to ninja him or...
Yeah, you fucking thought, bitch.
What?
What? This game's shit.
Red room. Shotgun red room.
Ah!
Oh, it's
Dude, we gotta have it.
Oh my god.
I'd rather fucking poop my pants. I'm door dashing food. Thanks, Senate.
What you getting?
I'm getting Chicken Express.
Fuck, he's in yellow, you do.
What is wrong with my chair? Why is it? Oh, my headphones. More like I got it. Ah!
You okay?
Bro, I'm
around the fucking corner.
What's up?
I have force shield and sword.
Pistol red.
What? I'm around the corner. What is? Senate, do you see this?
She.
Yeah, four grenades.
One's cuts. One. Up, top mid, one.
I think I helped my team.
What? What?
What? No, Sauce become robotic. Texas is getting to him.
Wait, what? What happened?
Tapping! Behind you, Sauce!
Senate, you want to see something cool?
Wait, don't share.
Oh, that actually scared the fuck out of me. I'm
When
not.
did you go to the door?
You knew it was there and it was safe. Fuck, I should
Sorry, Brian.
Solace, you need to chill with the nades.
I mean, someone put
Why are you close? Ah! You fucker!
What's going on?
Ah! Under my name. No, he's baiting you. He would have stabbed you already. Yeah.
Oh, that's just you.
The funny thing is, Alpha, is I'm not even close to getting the enough clues, but I baited.
One's going
camp
for
their
OS
flags,
now, and I just get fucking cross map.
Bunk.
Random, chill out.
Guy dropped down behind you, Solace.
Jesus.
Did you get him?
No, I got a double. 2 dead.
One's at sandbags.
Oh! Oh!
You okay?
I'm just insane. And I walk forward and I melee
I'm an
him.
expert in melee kills here.
Look at that and tell me that he walked
I
backwards.
said nice because I.
Yeah.
Are you gonna join, Matt? Oh
I'm
my
waiting for
God.
an invite.
You take so
dipshit.
long.
Wait. You know what, dude?
God, Matt.
Jeez, man.
Yeah, your car's. Oh my god, I'm fucking hellfire.
Oh my God! You
Fucking
drive a
damn it.
Fennec? Oh.
Was that
Oh,
just space? It's space. It's
Yeah.
Oh,
got a challenge though.
Oh my
Can't just
God,
hit in the net. Don't do it. Oh my god, Matt. That's our goal.
Oh, look what I was doing, playing defense. Fucking good luck. Fuck you, Solace.
Matt, stop being such a party.
Thank you, guy.
What? I was coming out of the air. No!
Look at me
Are
playing
you
defense.
kidding? What the fuck was that? Matt's coming back. Matt, shoot! No! Kick starts. Which is why we're gonna play.
I like AR sidekicks. Start.
No one asked. No one asked you.
That's why
man.
we're
Solace said
Can we
no
play-
one liked AR play- sidekick start. I like it. I am someone who he said was completely wrong.
What?
Can we play land grab? Oh my god, and there's a BR. This guy just shot me through a wall. Watch this. Ah! Fuck it, we're going ahead. Ah! Ah!
Well, that was catch that time.
What? No.
Ow.
What? Clipping that.
Ow. That was a solid what? Those nades should have hit him.
He's one shot. There's another one though. Because they're all respawning right in garage, you know?
Yeah, well, we're spawning pretty close. In baseball, there are 3 divisions per league, okay? And there are 2 leagues. The American League and the National League. Shut the fuck up, Solace.
Sports.
Generally, the most, Saul, shut up. Generally, the most, you'll,
It's not me. Stupid feline.
LZ's a little hot, sir.
God, this pussy is noisy.
What? Let me back in the hole. Watch this epic hole in one right here.
Said it, just make your life and go to the side.
Please, you're so close. Yes. How did we get a silver 5?
I mean,
I'm eating my burger. She said no. She's silver.
He's silver?
That man used to be gold, but now he's platinum.
Ah, okay.
I fucking hate you guys.
I cleaned him up, Solace.
Holy shit.
I'm in between the 2 girls. Well, actually, we're both in between 2 girls. Dude, I wiggled my stick so fucking much.
Someone wants to get that camera.
This guy's actually using the fucking mangler? Get out of here.
Wow, dude.
Get out of here.
Control.
Explosion.
Top left.
Another one.
I said bottom control.
Above you, Solace.
There's just a guy sitting tower, but it wants to spawn me right next to it? That makes no sense.
They're at catwalk. Jesus! That guy's got a fully automatic BR, I swear to God.
What?
That guy survived 2 melees.
Yes,
Yeah.
and I got 1 hit meleeed.
Over there at their cock ledge.
Cock ledge.
Oh my god, that guy is lit!
Solace, I got 1 shot on him, maybe.
I ghost meleeed.
This guy's standing. Oh, Jesus Christ.
He's breaking his Legos! Oh my god.
That's top down.
Oh, hey, look.
Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, you probably should have licked my balls.
Suck more dick?
Bottom A,
Bottom A.
Enemy team took the hill.
Bat ledge.
Bro, I can't
With
fucking
shock
see the
rifle.
camo guy.
I wonder why.
That's
That's the point.
kind of the point. They have shock rifle. Okay, muscle man.
Clip that! Absolutely clip that!
Clip it, world star. 3
This is a great game.
headshots. You should be dead twice. And then he killed
Wait, what the f-
Bro, dude, this guy needs an
I just repulsed
Oh
this guy.
God.
They're under
Dude.
me.
There's 2 in long.
Why is Solace
my
need
God.
sleep when he's got dopamine right now?
I repulsed this guy out of the game. When I repulsed. One's coming attic.
I try to.
I'm around the fucking. Oh my god, not a fucking priority. We're gonna just fucking we're gonna add $20 cosmetic in the store instead. I'm so scared.
There's a guy in our base. I'm scared.
Oh my goodness.
I'm so goddamn sick
glad
of
one
getting
shot.
spawn killed.
I fucking knew it. I knew it.
I just backsmacked the melee. I mean the cam.
You backsmacked the
backsmacked
melee.
Backsmack the melee.
At least that was just.
I can't believe I backsmacked the melee guy.
Oh my god. This is unbelievable.
The fucking camo guy.
Sounds like an absolute crazy person.
I sounded so fucking stoned when I said that. Give fucked. This game sucks. This game sucks. This game fucking really sucks. I hate this game. Why do I play it? Probably because I hate myself. Hey, there's a guy with an overshield coming. There's a guy with an overshield.
Damn, you too.
The old dog is so fucking ass in this stupid fucking game.
Fireworks?
That was
Oh god. Yellow base. Or yellow util.
Definitely.
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, this guy just. Why is the hip fire?
Oh god.
Solace, you're tilted. You gotta stop, man.
Come on, man. We're winning.
Where's my controller now?
Well,
I wonder why.
Oh wait, we are winning.
He
It's
broke
okay.
his. He broke his Legos.
Solace, you gotta stop, man.
I think what's really irritating me is the fucking fireworks.
What's the scoreboard looking? What's the scoreboard looking like?
48-34. We're winning.
Why is it not that you shoot someone once with the bulldog and you melee them and they don't die? Oh my fucking overkill!
Oh, they already got the cap.
Yeah, I
Oh man,
oh my god. They're 4 dead, pick it up.
nice
What'd you say?
Oh!
Attic.
Help me. I just no scoped June. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, there's 2 up here. Oh my god, Senate!
One burst. Oh, another one.
Oh, he has sword now, he's gonna have sword. Oh my god! Crazy!
No, he knocked me down.
What's up here?
Try anything.
Oh, it's just
Every time I get in a fight, Nick just shoots me from afar.
Oh, that is such cap.
Choose!
infestion.
Oh, it's Solace again.
I'm coming!
The same 2 people every time.
I'm
coming.
Why is it always me?
Control. Oh, get shit on. A clip king. Eclipsing. Eat my grenade, dead man.
No, yeah, Keiji can ride him in the sky.
What? You ready? Watch this.
Yeah.
My butthole is out right now. If we're doing another tournament, I gotta train my mom on how to do the questions at the end.
Come on, drop wall. Help me help you. I did. Oh. We're so close, boys. We're so close.
I can't win a fight. How did I grab the flag? I don't know. Oh, through.
Fly guys, one shot.
One shot. Yeah,
One
we're
shot.
all dead. We're all fucking dead.
He's still weak. Oh, here we go. They're just top mid. We're in the semi spawn.
It's Senate!
No, I said Senate.
Senate! I said Senate!
I said Senate.
I said Senate!
No, I am Senate.
I
No, fuck
said
you.
Senate.
I said Senate!
You know what?
I said Senate.
Yeah, you know what, motherfucker?
I said Senate.
I said Senate!
Solace. What was that name?
I don't want to talk about it.
Senate probably does.
Who was shooting me in the back? Oh, it was Solace.
Yeah, it was me, so I stopped shooting, and then I got shot in the asshole.
Like, you know how there's those dumbass PSAs like, beware, your child is using this lingo on the internet.
Yeah.
I hate those PSAs. They go. I agree, Solace.
Right, okay.
Are you pooping my poople? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Are you?
Balls.
What a shot! I got you, Chungy. One's pushing you. Another at the bottom of the staircase there. Nice!
Oh no, Solace.
So fucking dumb, dude. Fuck, it's gonna be one of those days.
Are you winning golf?
Are you shutting up? Are you fucking my asshole?
Shizitsuki's not here.
Are you kidding me? I landed next to it.
Nice.
Rank.
Alright,
Oh my god, your dick is so hard right now.
Also, Senate's girlfriend.
Dude, Matt, would you ever try Tropicana Crunch? It's a cereal orange juice.
How did he ninja me?
He was in front of you.
Shit, Max.
What?
Right here.
My first ranked game, and I get. And my controller's broken.
Got him. Oh, soccer is that's not clutch. Sperm spelled with a U.
Oh, get absolutely anally fucked. I'll pick up your legacy.
Up with a D. What was that? We have to see that.
One's one shot, bro.
One's going to capture B, right?
I saw that.
I did. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh man, one's one shot on the. You guys let him get away.
Back smack.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Chunky is holding.
No.
Jesus Christ, you okay?
I just absolutely shit on Chungus. What?
What? How did that
Nice.
balls?
Oh nice, my plasma pistol shot disappeared! So annoying! Why is that a thing?
Is he fighting Deadman? I think he is, yeah.
You're welcome.
You fucking
That.
One's OS for now. One shot cuts Deadman. Deadman, one shot. He's one shot shooter! Don't throw a grenade at him! Jesus Christ!
I mean, it gets like on keyboard.
Oh, one's beast. Deadman, turn around. Deadman, turn the fuck around!
I can't hear you, sorry, because Solace is raging.
Typical dead man moment. Look at this shit. He naked me too. Who are you naked? Were you about to shoot me there? Were you about to kill me at the end there? What the fuck is nade me? Nade Solace?
What the fuck are you doing?
You stupid.
I missed that name. You were supposed to go a little bit more to the left.
What about the nade you threw at me?
You threw it at the wall!
Bro, what the fuck, Devin?
Hang on.
I posted a Laura
Oh.
Hang on! Fuck! God! Jesus Christ!
Not after that other one.
What's the problem? Down.
Yeah, that's right. You.
Say it, you fucking idiot!
Oh no.
Luke, you're the last one. Finish.
You dog shit.
You are trash!
Alive.
You dog.